Hello, Noble Knitter, it's Nancy Queen. Do you avoid knitting with dark or black yarn because you can't see what you're doing? Well, don't do that. I have 5 tips that will help you knit with dark yarn so you never have problems again. So let's dive right in. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. Okay, the first tip I have for you might seem obvious, but a lot of people forget about it. Use a row tracker. When you're knitting with a dark yarn, it helps to have a tracker so that you don't have to be too concerned about counting rows if you have the row tracker handy. The second tip I have for you is a pillowcase. Grab a white pillowcase and put it on your lap, so while you're knitting, you actually will be able to see the stitches with the white underneath. A lot of times we wear dark colors like jeans or black pants, and so of course you can't see the stitches because there's something dark behind it. But if you put a white pillowcase underneath, you'll actually be able to see the stitches a lot better. The third tip I have for you is to use light colored needles. A lot of wooden needles, rosewood needles, mahogany tend to be very dark. Try a bamboo needle, a steel needle, or even colored needles to help you see the stitches in front of you. Number 4, knit in a well-lit space. You can use nice bright natural sunlight or some of these lights that are available on the market to really light up your space so that you can see the stitches properly. And the 5th tip I have for you, one that I know has actually happened several times when I had my shop, is do not put lotion on, hand lotion on, right before you're going to knit with dark yarn. Sometimes, especially when it comes to hand-dyed yarns, what can happen is a little bit of the dye could come off in your hands if you've recently put lotion on. So avoid putting lotion on right before you're going to knit with a dark yarn so you don't end up having dye all over your hands. Do you have another favorite tip for knitting with dark yarns that I might have missed? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.